Small rugs and mats have a way of moving around at the worst times. You step on one near the door, in the kitchen, or beside the sink, and suddenly it slides out of place again. If you do not have a rug pad on hand, cling wrap can be a quick little fix to try. It is not meant to replace a real non-slip rug pad in high traffic or risky spots, but it can help add some grip under small, lightweight mats. This simple trick uses something you probably already have in the kitchen. It works best on clean, dry floors and mats that only need a little extra help staying put. In this video, I'll show you how to use cling wrap under mats or carpet to help keep them from sliding around. You'll also learn where this trick works best and a few safety tips to keep in mind. Let's get started. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Cling wrap has a slightly tacky texture, which can help create friction between the floor and the bottom of the mat. That extra grip may be enough to keep small mats from shifting as much on smooth floors. This works best on clean, dry surfaces like tile, vinyl, laminate, or sealed floors. The cling wrap sits underneath the mat, so it stays hidden while helping the mat feel a little more secure. Think of this as a quick household hack, not a permanent fix. It is great when you need a simple solution fast, especially for small mats that keep sliding out of place. You only need a few simple items for this project. Cling wrap. Regular kitchen cling wrap works fine. You do not need anything fancy, and you only need enough to cover the area under the mat without showing around the edges. Mat or small carpet. This trick works best with lightweight mats, small rugs, or carpet pieces that slide around on smooth floors. Scissors. Optional. Most cling wrap boxes have a built-in cutter, so scissors are not required. You can use scissors if you want a cleaner edge or need more control while cutting. Once you have everything ready, you can set this up in just a few minutes. Once you have your cling wrap ready, the setup is simple. The main goal is to keep the wrap flat and hidden under the mat, so it adds grip without creating bumps. Start by wiping the floor where the mat will sit. Dust, crumbs, water, or cleaner residue can make the cling wrap less effective. Let the floor dry completely before adding the cling wrap. This works best on a clean, dry surface. Pull out enough cling wrap to cover most of the area under the mat. Cut it slightly smaller than the mat so the edges do not show. You can use the cutter on the cling wrap box or scissors if you want a neater cut. It does not have to be perfect, but it should fit under the mat without sticking out. Place the cling wrap directly on the floor where the mat will go. Smooth it out with your hands so it lies as flat as possible. Try to avoid folds or bunched up spots. A flat layer helps the mat sit better and reduces the chance of uneven spots underfoot. Set the mat on top of the cling wrap and line it up the way you want it. Press down firmly with your hands or step gently across the mat to help everything settle into place. Check the edges to make sure the cling wrap is hidden and the mat feels flat. If it still slides, you may need to adjust the cling wrap or add a second flat layer underneath. This cling wrap mat hack works best on small, lightweight mats that slide on smooth indoor floors. It is a helpful quick fix for areas where the mat shifts a little, but it should not be used anywhere slipping could be dangerous. Entryway mats can move around when people come in and out of the house. A piece of cling wrap underneath may help keep a small mat more stable near the door. This works best if the floor is dry and the mat is not too heavy. Check it often, especially if dirt or moisture gets trapped inside. Kitchen mats near the sink, stove, or counter can slide on tile or vinyl floors. Cling wrap can add a little grip underneath a lightweight kitchen mat. Make sure the area stays dry. If water gets under the mat, remove the cling wrap, dry the floor, and reset it before using the mat again. Bathroom mats can be tricky because moisture is common. This hack may help with a small mat on dry tile, but it needs to be checked often. Do not use this as a safety solution for wet bathroom floors. If the mat is in a spot where someone could slip, a real non-slip rug pad is the safer choice. Laundry room mats often sit on smooth floors in front of the washer, dryer, or utility sink. Cling wrap can help a small mat stay in place while you are doing laundry. As with the kitchen or bathroom, keep an eye out for water. If the floor gets damp, remove the mat and cling wrap until everything is dry again. This is a quick household trick, not a replacement for a proper non-slip rug pad. Use it only for small, lightweight mats in low-risk areas. Avoid using cling wrap under rugs on stairs, uneven floors, or places where someone could easily trip or slip. If a mat still moves after you try this, remove the cling wrap and use a real rug gripper instead. Check the mat regularly to make sure the cling wrap has not bunched up, shifted, or created bumps underneath. If it feels uneven, slippery, or unsafe, take it out right away. Cling wrap can be a simple way to help keep small mats and rugs from sliding around on smooth floors. It is easy to try, takes only a few minutes, and uses something many people already have in the kitchen. Just remember that this works best as a quick fix for lightweight mats in low-risk areas. For larger rugs, busy walkways, stairs, or anywhere slipping could be dangerous, a proper non-slip rug pad is still the safer choice. Try it on one small mat first and see how it works in your space. If you know someone who loves simple home hacks, share this idea with them. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description